everybody, it's Chris here with HealthPro Massage Chairs. Now that you got your signature 3D massage chair in the place that you want it, and it's unboxed and everything, this next step doesn't require any tools. Since I don't have assistance here today, what I'm going to use is a 5-gallon bucket, which will support my leg rest when I'm going to be connecting it. Also, this step should be really quick, so let's get right to it. First thing you'll want to do is you're going to need to remove the cotter pin. Pull out this pin and remove the plastic bushings. Then you're going to slowly bring your leg rest down, resting on the 5-gallon bucket. Or if you do have assistance, you can have someone prop it up for you. And now what you can do, you can go ahead and grab this little metal arm and hold that up. Put in the first plastic bushing, grab the other metal piece, slide in the plastic bushing, grab your pin and go all the way through both bushings. Lastly, what you want to do, slide in the cotter pin. And now you'll want to lift up, remove your 5-gallon bucket, and lower your leg rest. You can go ahead and slide the seat portion back down. And now we'll just plug in the massage chair, and this will be the last step. So if you follow me around here, just go ahead and plug this right on in there. Find power source. What we'll want you to do typically is plug it into a surge protector. Here today we don't have one handy, and so what you want to do is just plug it straight into the outlet. Make sure that this is illuminated, and that is how you set up your HealthPro Signature 3D.